Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Trust My Level. So I am here with a frequently asked question. So instead of typing it 50,000 times, decided, hey, let's go ahead and just make a video, put it in the chats, put it wherever you need to put it. And then so we can answer this question because there's a lot of new people coming to the strat. You know, not everybody wants to use TOS. We're going to get you converted eventually. But as we have you on Tradingview, because of course it's a pretty chart and, it has millions of, not millions, but a bunch of indicators that you can use. And, but once you get more with the strat, you're going to start seeing that, hey, I only need two of them, maybe one of them. So let's get right into it. So again, Trust My Levels, taking your technical analysis from YOLO to, oh my God, I found a trade. Follow me on Instagram, YouTube, all of the social medias at Trust My Levels. All right, so let's get into it real quick. Of course, you have that wonderful disclaimer that we always have, and you've seen it before. Definitely not financial advice. Anything you see on this channel cannot be used as financial advice. There's significant risks involved with trading futures, stocks, options, and all of the other tradable commodities. So let's make sure you understand that. All right. So the agenda today, of course, is adding the strat indicators to Tradingview. And of course, encouraging practice, practice, practice. And did I mention, hey, go get some practice. All right. So because if you don't use it, it's going to just go in one ear, one out the other. This one, not so much because it's just adding an indicator to the chart, but anything else we talk about, it could. So let's get started. Good old Tradingview. All right, so now we are here on the Tradingview basic site. Created a new layout here, and now this is what you would normally see. So what we're going to end up doing is just coming on up here because you want to add the strat. So you have two of them that you can use. It's a few other ones, but we can just go ahead and check it out. So we're going to search real quick for STRAT. So you have the strat. It's a whole lot of them. Okay, you got a bunch of these things. Just come in here and play around with them. But you have the strat assistant and strat teach are the ones that we really use. I would rather, it depends on where you're coming from. If you're coming from TA, you really want to have your averages and all that stuff on there. You have an opportunity to use the strat teach. The strat assistant, it's a little bit more basic. It puts the numbers on there. It gives you the patterns that are coming up, and gives you the full time frame continuity indicator also. So I'll just add both of these real quick. All right. So strat teach over here. All these extra pieces on here. Let me see if I can spread that out a little bit. So it adds your ones, it adds your twos, and adds your threes. Let's talk about strat assistant first. I like this because it's a little bit cleaner. It adds your time frame continuities down here on the bottom right. So if you wanted to see, hey, like for SPX right now, the monthly's down, weekly's down, daily, 4 hour, etc., they're all pointing down. Only thing that's up is the quarterly, and quarterly is an inside bar, like it said. It says the monthly is an inside bar. Also, you just want to check these sometimes because they're sometimes a little off. Because as you can see, like here, boom, this one says the monthly is inside. So you just got to watch out for these sometimes because this will trick you. Because that monthly bar, as we can see coming down to the month, is not inside. So good old Tradingview. I'm telling you, got to watch out for it. So, and this will happen on the lower time frames too. So just look out for this because this current month is not inside. Maybe it's looking back at this month. So maybe I need to revisit that whatever, the Pine script or whatever it is. But anyway, so just coming in here, I already have my default on there. Let's see, settings. So I already have my twos off. I mean, you can just look at those. You can pause the videos. I think it's the default there. And I changed this to where I only have the inside bars on. I took off the twos because I don't need to see the twos because everything that's not labeled is a two. That's that simple. And starting off, you might want to put that on there, but I have the, again, the ones and the threes are listed for me. I changed the color for the ones, but it's just the color for the number. All of the labels are there. I haven't changed any of this. I don't really touch that. And then you're done with that. And once you remove that twos, then you're done. And you click OK, and boom, you got that on there. And then you have your full time frame continuity down here on the bottom right. Top right, you'll have what type of pattern it is. So this is very helpful, especially for people coming in, the beginners. It's definitely very helpful. Okay, so let's move on over to Strat Teach. So the Strat Teach has a little bit more added to it, but I think it just depends on what you want. Okay, so now you have, with this one, it gives you the ATR down at the bottom. It gives you the full time frame continuity also, and it gives you the actionable, if it's actionable or not, and tells you, hey, it's a 222 Randy Jackson there. So yeah, and then it marks your hammers, your shooters, another hammer there. It just marks them for you so you can start looking at this. I don't think it goes back. Yeah, it's not going to go back past that October 2020. So let's see here. Put it on the hourly chart. It comes up. Boom. So it marks your shooters at the top. Got the hammer right there. Yeah. So here, this one comes in, it adds again. You need to go change the settings to change it from the 1s, the 2s, and the 3s. But this also adds in, hey, here's your target. Here's your target high, the target low. It'll set up entries for you. It'll show you where to get in, like right here we would have entered as soon as we broke above this inside bar, that became a 3, and then it moved up. There's a target up there. And then as soon as you start coming back down, boom, now you are out of your play. It's gone against you, target low, and it's continuing on. So Strat Teach, let's look at these settings real quick. So you can have a lot of stuff on here with Strat Teach. This is why sometimes it's intimidating, because it gives you a whole lot. Okay, so again, I remove the 2s usually. So I'll turn off the 2s because it makes it a little bit cleaner for me. And then I can color the 1 and 3 bars. If you really wanted to use your EMAs, there's an opportunity for you to use your EMAs. Your VWAP is there. If you want to use your fibs, the 50%, 61.8, 61 down and up, you have that there. The time frame, the support and resistance levels, if you want those, that is there. And of course, all of the patterns are there also. So you can click on see patterns and it'll start to name them for you so you can see exactly what's going on. It gives you your targets. So if I wanted to have a target, and this is where it starts to clutter up and, puts a lot of stuff on the chart, but it helps you understand how to start using it. Okay. And so, yeah. Oh, also, let me put on here where to go. At the bottom down here, you have the opportunity to put to customize this box here to the right. Is it a PMG, stuff like that. So you get the target price, you got your risk, you got the numbers, all of that. So I don't have any of that stuff on, but just play around with it a little bit. You got your ATR, you got your ATR, just play around with it and see what you like. Okay, it gave you your targets. So now it's going to look for that target area. Let's see here. So right now, this is telling us, like on the 1 hour, if we broke above here, first profit target is here, 40.91.66. Second target is 41.06.64. Third target is up here at 41.11.91. That's if we broke up above. So yeah, it's something that helps a person that is brand new come in and start to visually see, hey, this is a 222. Okay, I got that 222 up. It's a rev, so that Randy Jackson, I got a 2 down and a 2 up rev, and now I have a 2-2 continuation. That's a 222 also. Yeah. So you got your two inside bar, 2 up, the 2-2 continuations. It's gonna mark it all for you so that you can see it in real life. Okay, instead of just seeing us say, hey, it's a 2-1-2 to the downside, you're like, what does that mean? Well, you can come over here and you're going to see a 2-1-2 rev. So 2 down, inside bar, shooter. And then you have another one that's set up. So that was a 1-2-2 here for you. And then it continued down under the 2-2 continuation, and boom, you had a 2 down, actually had a 2 up. So 2 down, 2 up, 2 down. So that 222 Randy Jackson there again. And yeah, so 2 up, 2 down, 2 down. Yeah. 2 down, 2 up, 2 down. So another Randy Jackson, another Randy Jackson. Just, just go in here and start playing with them. And that's how you set up your strat indicators on TOS. So hopefully, that helps a lot of people coming in so that, we can get past this step, because a lot of people are getting hung up at this step, learning the 1s, 2s, and 3s and O'Brien information. So let's get it. And if you have any questions, send me a message and we will go from there. And as always, continue posting questions, and I'm gonna put some stuff out for you. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Have a wonderful day. And yeah, good luck in the trading days. All right, talk to y'all later.